So, I recently came across this channel called Outlander Chronicles, which makes videos about tribal warriors or warriors from different cultures. And every video he posts goes viral, bringing in millions of views. And this is one of his videos. So today, I will reveal how you can create videos that produce similar results, even if you have no editing skills. I will give you 2 levels of creating these videos, and don't worry, I will also show you how to create these images and give you the prompt. As you can see, this channel makes videos about tribal warriors like Vikings, African warriors, Maori warriors, and so on. And some videos are made with Pixelabs, but the most popular ones are simply a sequence of images assembled with transitions that are easy to reproduce in CapCut. So the first thing you need to do is create these images. And let me tell you how I came up with these beautiful images. First, I opened one of his videos and took a screenshot of his warriors. Then, I went to Leonardo AI and went to image creation. Here, I clicked on the 3 little stars next to the generate button, then went to describe with AI. I uploaded the screenshot, selected it, and clicked confirm. Leonardo gave me a picture prompt, but that wasn't enough. I had to change many things in it, and with the help of ChatGPT and after many changes, I came up with 2 perfect prompts that give results like these. But to automate the process, I had to make another prompt that will generate 10 prompts of warriors from different cultures and tribes. So all you have to do is copy this prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and you'll get prompts to generate images of 10 different warriors from different cultures, such as Mongolian horseback warrior, Spartan warrior, Siberian warrior, and so on. Now all I had to do was copy the prompt, paste it into the box, select Cinematic Kino, choose Low Contrast, pick a 9:16 aspect ratio, and click Generate. Within seconds, I had these pictures. Now that you know how to generate images, I will show you how to create these videos in 2 ways so you can choose which editing style to use. So let's start with the first way. Open CapCut and import your images and background music. Start by placing the background music on the timeline, and then add your first photo. Then listen to the music and identify where the rhythm changes. Once identified, adjust the size of the photo. Next, we need to add animation to the image. So click on the image, go to the right side, and select Animation. Then go to where it says Combo and scroll to find the fall right animation. Click on it to apply it to the photo. You can preview the animation to see how it looks. Next, add a second photo, listen to the tempo of the music, and adjust the photo's size to match the drum beats. Now place a third photo on the timeline and repeat the process, adjusting its size to the rhythm. Then select the second image, go to Animations, and select the Zoom to Animation. For the third image, apply the fall right animation again. Continue doing this throughout the video. We're not done yet, but let's see how it looks so far. Okay, looks great, but now let's apply color correction and effects to the video. So go to Effects, click on Body Effects, and here we will use the Phantom effect. Just place it on the timeline and stretch it to cover the entire video. Adjust the effects parameters as desired. For example, I will set them to 30%. Finally, go to Adjustment and place it on the timeline. Here I added a color adjustment layer to tweak the brightness and add a bit of contrast. Before I show you the result of this video, let me remind you that there is another way to create these videos. Now let's see the result of this video. Now let me show you how to create this more advanced animation style. So for this style, we will need Immersity AI, an AI tool called Kling AI, and once again, CapCut. So head to Immersity AI and click the Upload button to add your photo. Once your photo is uploaded, you'll find various animation types on the right. Choose one you like and preview the animation. Once you're happy with the animation, click the Export button. Choose the MP4 format and click Next. Leave the default settings and click Next again. Click Export and wait for Immersity AI to render your video. Then, download the animation. Repeat this process for all the photos you want to animate. Now for Kling AI, it is very important to have an image of two warriors fighting. And don't worry, you will have a prompt in the description on how to generate those images. So we click on AI video, then image to video. We upload the picture with the fight and set this prompt, which you will also find in the description. Finally, we click generate and download the video. The only thing left now is to import everything into CapCut. Just like before, import all your animations and audio files. Place the music on the timeline to analyze the beat, then add the first video sequence. In CapCut's options, click on the Effects tab, then in the search bar, type beat, and apply the pulse effect to the video sequence. Just drag and drop it onto the timeline. Change how long the effect lasts so it matches the beat of the music. Now, add the second video clip and adjust its length to fit the rhythm of the music. Then, apply a transition between the two clips. So click on Transition, scroll to find Vertical Blur, and drag it between the two clips to apply it. Next, place the third clip on the timeline, adjust its length to the music, and apply a mixed transition. Doing all of this completes the video editing process. Repeat this process with the remaining clips. At the end of the video, I added a Kling animation since the final music was too epic. And here's the finished video.